A lot of students like to work with their hands, and they like to make things. Everybody doesn't go to work for the same thing. Some people go to work just to do the job, but some people, they like to see what happens after they're finished with what they're doing. Manufacturing, you do see that tangible aspect of it.
To be honest, since I'm a hands-on person, it's pretty fun. There's always something new. Whether it was something easy or something complicated, it was still fun.
In my past, I worked as a housekeeper, and I just didn't see myself working there forever. So I saw the opportunity and I took it.
One of the best reasons to come through the technical college system is you get hands-on training on the equipment that you'll be using at the job site. It's not theoretical, and so they already have the familiarity, they already have the training on it, and so they're able to get up to speed and become a productive employee much faster.
Some of the reasons you might consider a position in manufacturing, not only because you can grow in your career, but also we offer great benefits like tuition reimbursement. You can work in manufacturing, improve your skills, go to school, and make a great living.
The skills gap is becoming wider every day. We see it all the time with people retiring, and so there's a lot of need for people with those skills to take the place of the people that are retiring.
I thought it would have been hard to break into a field like this, but once you start talking to people, you start to see that like it's a big demand. So you got guys that got experience leaving, and then it's like this big void of who's gonna fill it.
I feel very prepared to work in their environment because of my time here.
In the 20 years I've been here, I've seen many people come for training, learn a little something, come back again, and come back again for more training. I have seen TCSG change lives. I have seen it firsthand, and they are so happy and appreciative that they've learned new skills, they've been able to apply those skills on the job, and now they're coming back again.
Don't let people tell you that there's not great careers in manufacturing, because it's not true. Go back to school, do what you love, and find a job in manufacturing.
Well, everybody's wanting to create something with their hands. They want to play with fire. They want to sew with fire. That's what it's about. If you enroll in a welding program, we're going to get you in a welding booth as soon as possible. This is not a college class where it's a classroom only, lecture only. This is hands-on.
We teach shielded metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, gas metal arc welding, and flux core arc welding. Skilled trades is what's built America. I mean, everything we have, everything we buy, everything we build has been touched by craftsmen.
I like welding because it's not necessarily repetitive. You're not doing the exact same thing every day. While it is kind of dangerous, I just think it's very, very fun.
I do think that anybody can pursue welding. It's a detailed, very skill-based procedure. It's a lot of fun.
The mobile welding labs has given individuals opportunities that would have never existed prior to this. The welding labs has made availability to other colleges outside of the normal service area simply because we can teach all disciplines of welding in the mobile labs, and they're rigged out and equipped to do so. And then once the short-term training is completed, the unit can be loaded up, moved to the next location.
Georgia has a multitude of opportunities for welders in general. Whether they go into manufacturing, industrial, commercial construction, or even possibly own their own business. Those opportunities are out there.
The biggest thing that's attractive for the welding industry is the paycheck involved. This is a skilled trade, and it pays good return on your investment, both in time and in money.
I think the highlight of the program would definitely be the resources that are available to me. So if you're having trouble with a project or anything, they push you, like they really encourage you to do good. They give me the motivation to do that.
I feel like this program gives a leg up, and it gives some preliminary practice to move on in the industry. Everybody is very supportive. Everybody really wants to help everybody else out.
come check out the TCSG system. Come look at our classes, do a tour. Come in here, and if you're interested in welding, we'll put you in the booth and let you burn some rods and just to see what it's all about.